are going to love the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, bed liner, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.